Did you see that Chris Reed is speaking at Dad 2 Summit? Hey? He's the publisher of Canadian Dad. Come on in, learn more. What is Dad 2 Summit? Well, I'll tell you, within 3 hours of my discovering it, I was doing some Twitter work for my lessons from my grandson's site, and I came across this. And within 3 hours, I had already booked the hotel, I had gotten my airline ticket, and I bought a ticket into the conference. This is an annual conference to change the perception of and the online abilities of those that are working dads that are sharing their information online. Is that you? Hey, we granddads count in that too. As I said, it's an annual conference about changing the perception and online voice of modern fatherhood. It's in New Orleans, January 30 to February 1, 2014. It's an open conversation about the commercial power of dads online. And it's an opportunity to learn the tools and tactics used by influential bloggers to create high-quality content, build their personal brands, and develop business ideas. If this sounds like it's for you, you should join us right away. As I mentioned, Chris Reed, the father of 2 beautiful children, is speaking at Dad 2 Summit. Chris wants to educate the media, corporations, Hollywood, and everyone out there that fathers are not the bumbling idiots you see in the movies, commercials, and print ads. I, for one, hope he's really successful with that. Read more about him. You've got to learn more about Chris. It's below. Go ahead. Go over to dad2summit.com. Find out about this summit and join us there. I look forward to seeing you there.